Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Rolls-Royce says 100th Boxer delivery marks progress in UK armoured vehicle programme and British manufacturing capability. Rolls-Royce has marked the delivery of the 100th Boxer armoured vehicle to the UK Ministry of Defence, highlighting its role in the British programme through domestic engine production. The Boxer MIV mechanised infantry vehicle is powered by the company's MTU-8 V199 TE21 engine, which is assembled at Rolls-Royce's facility in East Grinstead, West Sussex. We're proud to support the delivery of the 100th Boxer armoured vehicle to the UK Ministry of Defence, Rolls-Royce said in a social media statement. The milestone represents further progress in establishing manufacturing capacity in Britain for one of the country's major land defence programmes. The MTU-8 V199 TE21 delivers 600 kilowatts of power and forms part of the Boxer's mobility system. Rolls-Royce described the vehicle as offering high levels of mobility and protection, while pointing to its own UK production footprint within the wider programme. The Boxer programme is being implemented through cooperation between Rheinmetall, KNDS UK, the British Army, the National Armaments Director Group and Defence Equipment and Support. ACAR and the Artec Consortium are also involved, together with a network of British supply chain partners. The delivery of the 100th vehicle reflects the broader development of domestic industrial capability around the Boxer programme, according to Rolls-Royce. The company said the milestone demonstrates the successful establishment of British manufacturing capacity and continued progress in the programme. Rolls-Royce's contribution centres on assembling the 600 kilowatts MTU engine in West Sussex for the vehicles supplied to the Ministry of Defence. The arrangement places the company within a wider industrial network supporting production of the Boxer fleet in the UK. The programme brings together vehicle manufacturers, government organisations and domestic suppliers as Britain builds up its Boxer capability. Rolls-Royce identified the 100th delivery as a significant achievement for that collaborative industrial effort. The milestone also highlights the role of British manufacturing in supporting the Boxer programme as deliveries continue. Rolls-Royce described Boxer as one of the UK's most important land defence programmes and said domestic manufacturing capabilities have now been successfully established. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.